4th Annual American Junior High School Mathematics Examination, AJHSME 1988. Number 1. The diagram shows part of the scale of a measuring device. The arrow indicates an approximately reading of from 10 to 11 divided into 4 parts. So that's the 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 11. So the arrow between 10 and 1/4 and 10 and 2/4. 10 1/4, that's the 10.25, and 10 and a half, that's the 10.5. Greater than 10/4, less than the 10/2. So it must be the answer D. Only the 10.3 is greater than 10.25, less than 10.5. Number 2, product 8 times 0.25 times 2 times 0.125 is. So it's better write as the fraction because the answer are in the fraction. So 8 times 0.25, that's the quarter, times 2 times 0.125, that's the 1/8. So now cancel 8, cancel 2, that's the 1/2. So the answer is C. Number 3, 1/10 plus 2/20 plus the 3/30. So 1/10 plus the 2/20 plus 3/30. 2/20 cancel 2, that's the 1/10. 3/30 cancel 3, still the 1/10. Total is the 3/10. 3/10, that's the 0.3. That's the answer D. Number 4. The figure consists of alternating light and dark squares. The number of dark squares exceeds the number of light squares by. The first row has the one dark square. The second row is 2 dark squares, and the 1 white square is the one more than the white square. Third row, 3 dark, 2 white is still one more. So each row, one more dark square than white square. We need to figure out how many rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the 8 rows. One row, dark square, is one more than the white square. There are 8 rows, so there must be 8 more dark squares than light squares. So that's the answer B. Number 5. If angle CBD is a right angle, then this protractor indicates that the measure of angle ABC is approximately. We are looking for the angle ABC, this angle. So the given CBD is right angle, that's the 90 degree. And ABD, angle ABD, that's equal the OBD is 160 minus OBA, that's the 20. Total is the 140. So the angle ABC equal the angle ABD minus the angle CBD. ABD, that's the 140, minus CBD, that's the 90. The answer is 50. Therefore, the answer is C. Number 6, 0.2 cube over 0.02 square. 0.2 cube over 0.02 square. 0.2 square, we know the 2 cube, that's the 8. Where we put the decimal points, so 0.2 cube. So the original number has the 1 digit to the right of the decimal point. So we use the 1 times 3. That's the 3. That means the total have the 3 number to the right of the decimal place. So we have the 8, 1, add 2 more 0, 1, 2, 3, put the decimal places. So that's the 0.008. Same thing. So 0.02 square, 0.02 square. So 2 square, that's the 4. Where we put the decimal, the points, so our original number has the 2 digit to the right of the decimal point. So we use the 2 times power 2. That's the 4. That means there are 4 digits to the right of the decimal points. Now we have the 1 digit 4, add 1, 2, 3. Now total the 4 digits to the right of the decimal. Put the decimal here. They equal 2. So numerator, denominator, both times the 10,000. Numerator times 10,000, that's the 80. Denominator, that's the 4. So 80 over 4, that's the 20. Therefore, the answer is E. Number 7. 2.46 times 8.163 times 5.17 plus 4.829 is closest to. So look at the problem. 2.46 times 8.163 times 5.17 plus 4.829. Look at the answer. They rounded to the hundreds digits, so we use the estimate. 2.46 is rounded to 2.5 times second 8.163 rounded to 8. So 5.17 rounded to 5, 4.8 rounded to the 5. Now they equal to 2.5 times 8, that's the 20, times 10, that's the 200. So the answer is B. Number 8, Betty used a calculator to find the product 0.075 times 2.56. She forgot to enter the decimal points. The calculator showed 19200. If Betty had entered the decimal points correctly, the answer would have been. So the original expression, that's the 0.075 times 2.56. The calculator shows equal to 19200, where I put the decimal points. So first, the number has the 3 digits to the right of the decimal points. The second number has the 2 digits to the right of the decimal points. Total together, the answer should have the 5 digits to the right of the decimal points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The decimal points, we'll put it here. So the answer is 0.192. Therefore, the answer is B. Number 9, an isosceles triangle is a triangle with 2 sides of equal length. How many of the 5 triangles on the square grid below are isosceles? So the first triangle, this length and this length are equal. They all use the equal to the 1 square. This is the 1 plus 2 square. That's the 5, square root of 5. Both the square root of the 5, so that's 2 equal. The second triangle, that's the 2 unit. That's the isosceles triangle. Third one, the bottom is the 2 the unit, but the top, this side, not the 2 unit, it's the square root of 5. So this one, not isosceles. For this triangle, the side length is the square root 3 square plus 1 square. Same thing, 3 square plus 1 square. So these 2 sides are equal. And the last one, so this side is the 1 square plus 2 square and then square root. We got this one, square root of 5. The bottom one, still the 2 square plus 1 square and then square root. Still, these 2 sides are equal. So how many total? Only the one not isosceles. Therefore, the 4 triangles are isosceles triangles. So the answer D. Number 10. Chris' birthday is on the Thursday this year. What day of the week will it be 60 days after her birthday? So 60 days, we know 1 week is 7 days. We use the 60 divided by 7. That's the 8. Remainder 4. So today is the Thursday. So the 1 day after today is the Friday. And then Saturday. Then the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So that's the 60 days, remainder 4. We know remainder 1 is the Friday, and the remainder 2, remainder 3, remainder 4, that's the Monday. How about divisible? That means remainder 0. Remainder 0 is the last number. That's the remainder 0. So the remainder 4, that's the Monday. So the answer is A. Square root 164 is square root 164. We know the 13 square, that's the 169. So it less than 13. So the answer E is between the 12 and the 13. 12 square, that's the 144. So square root the 164 greater than 144 and less than 169 square root of 169. So the answer is E. Number 12. Suppose the estimated $20 billion cost to send a person to the planet Mars is shared equally by the 250 million people in the US. Then each person's share is 20 billion. That's the 20. Billion is the 90, so 10 to power 9. Over 250 million people. 250 times million is the 10, that's the 10 to power 6. Now we cancel 10 to power 6, so power minus 9, and cancel the 0. Now equal to 2 times 10 cube. That's the 2,000 over 25. So 25 times 4 is the 100. So 25 times 8 is the 200. That's the 2,000. Give us 80. So the answer is C. Number 13. If rose bushes are spaced about 1 foot apart, approximately how many bushes are needed to surround a circular patio whose radius is 12 feet? We draw a circular. The question, how many bushes are needed to surround a circular patio? Its radius is 12 feet. Now the circumference, so this is the 12. Circumference of the circle formula is the 2 pi r. So in this problem, pi, we roughly use the 3.14 times r is 12. That's the 6.28. 6.28 times 12. Now we don't need to calculate exactly. We just estimate. So 12 times 6. That's the 72. So this the bushes, the between 72. But 12 times 7, that's the roughly 84. So the number bushes between the 72 and the 84, only the D 75. That's the falls between these the two numbers. So the answer is D. Number 14. Diamond and the triangle are whole numbers, and the diamond times triangle equal to 36. The largest possible value of the diamond and the triangle is. Now we'll find the how many factors of the 36. So 1 times 36. 36 divisible by 2. So 2 times 18. 3 plus 6, that's the 9. They divisible by 3. 3 times the 12. And also the divisible by 4. 4 times 9. Divisible by 2, divisible by 4, also divisible by 6, 6 times 6. That's the all factors of 36. The largest possible value should be the 1 plus 36. it's the 37. Therefore, the answer is E. Number 15. The reciprocal of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 is. So, first, the 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 equal to, denominator is the 6, 3 plus 2, that's the 5, so 5 over 6. The reciprocal of the 5 over 6 is the 6 over 5. So we easy to get if the number is the A, reciprocal is 1 over A. If the number is the fraction A over B, the reciprocal is the B over A. Because I need the number and the reciprocal product, that's the 1. So that's easy way. We just find the number and flip numerator and the denominator, get the 6 over 5. That's the answer C. Number 16. Placing no more than one x in each small square. What is the greatest number of x that can be put on the grid shown without getting 3 x's in a row vertically, horizontally, or diagonally? Now we have the 3 rows or 3 columns. So the question asks without getting 3 x's in a row vertically, horizontally, or diagonal. That means each the row maximum we put the 2, and each row is the 2. That means the total is the 6. Probably our answer is 6. Or if you use the each column, that's the 2. But we will count it if we can put the 6. So usually when we put maximum the x, we try to avoid putting in the middle, because the middle one, we cannot get the maximum. So we are not in the middle. The first the row, we can put the 1 here, 1 here. The second row, we cannot put in the middle. Put in the middle will give us less the x. So we put the first one and the last one. Now the first row, second row, all has the 2 the x. The third row, I can only put these 2. Now each column has the 2, and each row has the 2. The diagonal, right now, maximum, still the 2. And another diagonal, nothing there. It doesn't matter, but we want maximum x. So the answer is 6. Number 17. The shaded area formed by the 2 intersecting the perpendicular rectangles in square unit is. The shaded area, we use the first rectangle, 2 times 10. So that's the 2 times 10 plus another rectangle. That's the 3 times 8. 3 times 8. But we have the calculate. In the middle, we are over counting this part. That's the overlapping part. So we count twice. So we need minus this one. This one, the length is the 3, width is the 2. The total area is 2 times 3. Now that's the 20 plus 24 minus 6. That's the 44 minus 6 equal to 38. That's the answer B. Number 18, the average weight of 6 boys is 150 pounds, and the average weight of 4 girls is 120 pounds. The average weight of the 10 children is average equal to the sum of the number divided by number of numbers, the total number of 10 children. So that's the 10. And the sum of the 10 children's 6 boy average is 150. The total average times number of number plus the 4 girls average is the 140. So we use the 4 times 120. 124 girls. That's the 6 times 150. That's the 900 plus the 480 over 10 equal to 1380 over 10. So cancel 0. That's the 138. So the average weight of the 10 children is 138 pounds. That's the answer C. Number 19. What is the 100th number in the arithmetic sequence? 1, 5, 9, 13. Continue on. Arithmetic sequence, the nth term formula is the an equals the first number plus the number of number minus 1 times common difference. This problem asks hundreds terms, so that's the 800, that's the 100 term. First term is the 1. And the number of number is the 100 minus 1 times common difference. The common difference is the adjacent two number difference, 5 minus 1, that's the 4. So that's equal to 1 plus 400 minus 4. That's the 397. So the answer is A. Number 20. The glass gauge on cylindrical coffee maker shows there are 45 cups left when the coffee maker is 36% full. How many cups of coffee does it hold when it is full? Coffee maker total hold X cups. Now, 36% full. That means the 36% of X times X. That's the 45 cups. Equation both sides divided by 36%. At 45 divided by 36%. That means times 100 over 36. So cancel 9, that's the 4. Cancel 9, that's the 5. And also cancel 4, 100 cancel 4, that's the 25. So the answer is 5 times 25. That's the 125 cups. That's the answer C. Number 21. a fifth number n is added to the set of the numbers 3, 6, 9, 10 to make the mean of the set of 5 numbers equal to its median. The number of possible values for n is 3, 6, 9, 10. So add the n to this side. What's the mean? Mean. The formula of the mean equals sum of number divided by number of numbers. Sum of the number is the n plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 10 over 5 numbers equal to 28 plus n over 5. Median equals the mean. So what's the median? Median, that's the middle number. So if that's the casework, n is put the 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 10. If the n less than 6, we can put the n here or n here. It doesn't matter. The median is the 6. So median is the 6. Let's see what they can be. So 28 plus n over 5 equals 6. That means the 28 plus n equals the 30, and n equals 2. That's the first case, case 1, n equals 2. And the second case is the n in the middle. So that's the 3, 6, and n 9, 10. That's the case 2. In this case, the median is the n. So 28 plus n over 5. That's the mean equals median. That's the n. 28 plus n equal to 5n. So that's the 4n equals 28. N equal to 7. N equal to 7, that's the case 2. Now case 3, the order is the 3, 6, 9, 10, and n. All the n can be between the 9 and the 10. That means n can be the greater than or equal to 9. In this case, the median is the 9. So that's the 28 plus n over 5 equals 9. And 28 plus n equal to 45. N equal to the 17. That's the case 3. So the number of possible values for n is 3. Therefore, the answer C. Number 22, Tom's Hat Shop increased all original prices by 25%. Now the shop is having a sale where all prices are 20% off these increased prices. Which statement best described the sales price of an item? Look at the 5 choice. They all talk about the sales price and the original price. Now let the original price is the X and increased by 25%. the price will be X times increase. We use the 1 plus the percentage. Now the shop is having a sale where all the prices are 20% off. This increase the price. That means the price dropped the 20%. The percentage decrease, we use the 1 minus percentage. That is the sales price. So that's equal to the X times the 1.25% times the 80%. That's equal to X times 1.25, that's the 5/4. And then 80%, that's the 4/5. Now cross cancel. So the sales price still the 6. That means the sales price is the same as the original price. So that's the answer E. Number 23, Maria buys computer disks at a price of the $4 for $5 and sells them at a price of $3 for $5. How many computer disks must she sell in order to make a profit of $100? The profit, that's the price minus cost. So what he sell the price, that's the $5 for 3 disks sell for $5. So 1 disk is 5 divided by 3. And the cost, that's the $4 for $5. $5 for 4 disks. 1 disk is 5 divided by 4. That's the profit. How many disks must sell to get the profit of $100? We sell the X computer disks. The profit is the $100. So denominator is the 12. 4 times 5, that's the 20. 3 times 5, that's the 15. X equal to 100. So 5/12, X equal to the 100. Equation both sides times 12/5. So equation both sides times 12/5. The left side isolate X. The right side, so 5 cancel 5. 100 cancel 5, that's the 20. 20 times 12, that's the 240. So he must sell the 240 disks to make a profit of $100. Therefore, the answer is D. Number 24, the square in the first diagram rolls clockwise around the fixed regular hexagon until it reaches the bottom. In which position will the solid the triangle be in diagram 4? So look at this, the diagram. So at the beginning, so this side, the base of the triangle sit on this side. So now they go rolled clockwise. Rolled clockwise. Well, after the first rolled, so this one will come to here. And the base, the triangle base side, they will come to here after the first. So that's the triangle will like this one. And the next step, they come to this way, one more. So this side right now, this side will come to here, and the triangle base so will come to here. Because they roll to here, opposite the right, opposite the blue, the one is the base of the triangle. So that means the triangle in this the direction. Now they do the last row clockwise. So now this side will come to base, come to here. And then the triangle, the base of the right one, right the side will come to here. When the right side is here, the triangle will go this way. So in the fourth position, the vertex of the triangle will to the right side. So that's the answer A. Number 25. A palindrome is a whole number that reads the same forwards as backward. If one neglects the column, certain times displayed on a digital watch are palindrome. 3 examples are 101, 444, 12, 21. How many times during a 12-hour period will be palindrome? So that's the digit. So can be the 3 digit, like the example 101. Can be the 4 digit. Example is the 1221. So 3 digit number, how many choice for the first one? That's the 9 choice. First from the 1 to 9, that's the 9 choice. When they first one choose the last one must be same as the first one, so no any more choice. But in the middle, how many choice in the middle? That can be the 101, so can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and cannot be 6. So no 161. That's the maximum is so any digit will be 59 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have the 6th choice when it is the 1. So we have the 6th choice. Total is the 9 choice times 6 choice, 54. For the 4 digits, the time, they only have the 10 and 11, time 11 and 12. So when the first 2 digit is already there, 10, the only palindrome is the 01 because the backward, the forward must read the same. So 11 will be the next. 12 will be the 21. So this one must be same as the last digit, second, same as the last second. So total 3 choice. So 54 plus 3. 54, 3 digit number plus 3, 4 digit palindrome, total 57 palindrome. That's the answer A.